Again, welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to my program where I do a little bit of my cooking. Today we are doing mackerel marinated in what we have here. We have got a little bit of turmeric, a little bit of black pepper, and paprika, some cinnamon, and some bay leaves. And by the way, cinnamon, you just, put it inside the fish. Just put it inside the fish, and the bay leaves, you just also put them inside there. And this is going to be served with rice cooked in, red onion and hard beef, tomatoes, and you fry your fish on oil butter ghee at a very, very low flame, and constantly turning it until it becomes nicely brown and crispy. And yeah, that's all you've got to do. Not much. And just take your time and make sure it doesn't dry up too much. You can cut a little bit of it, and have a little taste, and you are fine. It's okay. It's quite therapeutic. And by the way, I do that mindfully, cooking mindfully, and also I eat that mindfully, and just enjoying. That rice is awesome. By the way, it's leftover rice and done in that onion and tomato. You don't have to overdo the tomatoes and the onion. Just fry them quickly and pour in the rice and let it heat up and serve while very, very hot. I serve that with a little bit of coleslaw from Morrison's, the extra crunchy one. It's really nice, and that's yummy. That's your evangelist. I love cooking. I love eating. I love cooking for my family, and they enjoy it. Sometimes, you know what? I just put everything, all spices, but this time I just limited it. And mackerel is lovely. In Shona, Renon's Zitye, but nice. God bless.